everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be harvesting some different kind of vegetables. So we're going to be harvesting squash, butter squash, eggplant, and zucchini. As you can see in front of me is the squash. And we're going to be harvesting these two, this one and the other one that's down there, because all the other squashes are not growing, and so we need to harvest these now because look how big they are. Like, it's probably why they're not growing. And yeah, and the zucchini and the butter squash are really big, like you can already tell. Oh, is that easy?
Put it here. Put it. Okay, this one.
The leaves are biting me. Can you see it or no? There's not even a root. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cut the black thing by accident. I don't want to do that. Okay. Oh, what? There we go. Or you can just cut it. Oh, fancy. Ew, it's spiky. So another name of eggplant is Black Beauty eggplant. You could probably tell why it was named that because look how like nice the color is.
Yeah, almost the same as my color. Yeah.
So there are actually many beans that have grown in the past few days. So we're actually gonna harvest that right now. So like right here. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do this one. Can you see it? Okay. the other ones? No, that's it. Oh, here in the bottom. They're all in the bottom. Oh, wait, where'd the... Oh, it's right there. So, next we're going to be harvesting kangkong, which in English is morning glory. Here you go. Okay, so here is our harvest for today. We have the winter squash, the zucchini, more here, the eggplant, the yellow, wait, what was it? Yeah, butter eggplant, wait, butter squash, yeah. We have the butter squash, one cucumber. Then we have over here the alabate, the beans, the kangkong, what is that? What is it? So the kamote leaves. And we also have onions that we actually harvested. They grew in a small pot, so they didn't grow that big, but we have a lot, so. Okay, so now we're going to be bringing this inside the house. Let's go. Oops. Scissors. Pick up the scissors, man. Okay. Oh my god, mommy's even slower than me.